Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to repost Facebook stories. Reposting stories on Facebook is a great way to share something interesting that you've seen from a friend, a page, or even a group. Instead of just reacting to it or sending it privately, you can put it directly on your own story so that everyone on your friends list can view it. This feature is useful if you want to quickly spread updates, funny moments, or important information without creating a brand new post. It's simple, fast, and only takes a few taps. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, scroll through your feed until you find a story you'd like to repost. Tap on the story to open it. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots menu. From the options that appear, select Share this story. Here, tap on your story. This will send the post to your own story, so it's visible to your friends and followers. Before you publish it, you also have the chance to add your own touch. You can type a caption, place stickers, or even use text tools to make it more engaging. Once you're ready, tap on Share at the bottom. That's it, the story is now reposted to your own Facebook story, and others will be able to view it just like any story you upload yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.